You know the words, you've studied the grammar, but the moment someone speaks to you in English, your mind goes completely blank. Here's the truth. It's not your vocabulary, it's not your grammar, it's something else entirely. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is and exactly how to fix it. I'm going to show you 3 simple shifts. Use them and you'll stop freezing and start speaking today. Let's start with the moment itself. Picture this. Someone asks you a question in English, and for a second, nothing comes out. Your brain feels stuck. Your heart speeds up a little. You know this feeling. Here's what's actually happening. It's not that you don't know enough English, it's that your brain is doing too much work too fast. Every time you go to speak, your brain runs through 4 steps without you even realizing it. First, you think of what you want to say in your own language. Then you translate it into English. Then you quietly check if it sounds right. And only then, finally, you say it out loud. That's 4 steps for every single sentence. No wonder it feels exhausting. No wonder you freeze. Fluent speakers don't do this. They skip straight to step 4. They think directly in English, no translating, no checking. And here's the good news. That's not a talent you're missing. That's a skill. And skills can be built. So let's build it. 3 fixes, starting now. Fix 1. Filler phrases. Native speakers use these constantly. You've probably heard them 100 times without noticing. They're small phrases that buy your brain a second to catch up, without that awkward silence that makes you panic even more. Here are 4 to start with. That's a good question. What I mean is, let me think about that for a second. So, basically, these do 2 things at once. They give you thinking time, and they make you sound calm and natural while your brain catches up behind the scenes. Nobody even notices the gap. They just hear someone speaking confidently. Let's try it right now. I'm going to ask you a question. Use one of those 4 phrases to start your answer, out loud, before you say anything else. Here's the question. What do you do for work? Go ahead and answer using a filler phrase. Nice work. That pause you just used? That's the exact tool fluent speakers use every day. You just used it too. Fix 2. Think in English every day in small moments. This one might sound a little strange at first. Stay with me because it works. Here's why you freeze. Your brain has spent years receiving English, reading it, listening to it. But it hasn't spent much time producing English on the spot, under a little pressure. That's a completely different skill, and right now, it's the part of your brain that's undertrained. So the fix is simple. Build a daily inner monologue in English. While you're getting dressed in the morning, think it in English. While you make your coffee, describe what you're doing in English, even just in your head. On your commute, plan out your day in English. The first few days, this will feel slow, a little clumsy even. That's completely normal, that's just a muscle waking up. Within 2 to 3 weeks, it starts to feel natural, and those freezing moments, they start to fade. Quick practice. Pause and describe your morning routine in English right now, even just 3 sentences. Go ahead. Describe morning routine. That's it. You're already doing the work that fixes this. Fix 3. Low pressure practice. Here's the biggest mistake most learners make. They wait until they feel ready to speak, and that day never actually comes. So I want you to flip that completely. Confidence doesn't come before speaking, it comes from speaking, even imperfect, stumbling, not quite right speaking. Start small. Start low pressure. Talk to an AI tool in English, typed or spoken. No judgment, no pressure, no one watching. Record a 30-second voice note to yourself. Don't even replay it. Just speak and let it go. Comment on an English video in English. Even 1 sentence counts. And when you're ready for more, find a real conversation partner in a safe, low-pressure space. italki is a great place to start, and I've linked it below for you. Every one of these counts as real practice. Your brain genuinely doesn't know the difference between talking to a screen and talking to a person. It builds the same skill either way. Let's bring this together. 1. Use filler phrases so you're never standing in silence while your brain catches up. 2. Think in English in small daily moments. It adds up faster than you'd expect. 3. Start low pressure and build from there. Confidence comes from doing, not from waiting until you feel ready. Freezing is a habit. Fluency is a habit too. Starting today, you get to choose which one you practice. If this helped you, subscribe. I post a new English fluency lesson every single week, built for intermediate learners who are ready to actually feel confident, not just study harder. And tell me in the comments, when do you freeze the most? Work? Social situations? Meeting new people? I read every single one. See you in the next lesson.